आज की इस वीडियो में हम जानेंगे कि सनातन धर्म के अनुसार जब वन टाइम साइकिल कंप्लीट होती है उसमें कितने युग होते हैं और उन सारे युगों में क्या डिफरेंस है, उन सारे युगों के लोगों में और उनकी लाइफ स्टाइल में क्या डिफरेंस है। After the creation of universe, Parampita Brahma ji has divided the time cycle into 4 yugas, which are Satyug, Treta Yug, Dwapar Yug, and Kali Yug. Now, first of all, you should know that every time cycle starts with the first day of Satyug and ends with the last day of Kali Yug. All the 4 yugas are different from each other, and the thing which creates a difference between all of them, वो हैं हम इंसानों के कर्म. There is one more thing which cause the difference between all of them is dharma. If we look at this point with spiritual angle, then we will able to see that there is a direct relation between karma and dharma. Well, I'm sure about everyone knows कि if we do good things, then our karma gonna count into punya, and if we do bad things, then the karma gonna count into pap. Here is one more point which you should keep in mind, which is nature of karma. That means your good karma will bring positivity in your life and your bad karma will bring negativity in your life. So the reason why I am telling you this point is because we are going to look at the nature and lifestyle of human beings of all yugas. Now the very first yug we have Satyug. Here the word Satyug is giving the definition of itself. Sat means Satya and Yug means age. Satyug means the age of truth and sincerity. The complete lifespan of Satyug is 17,28,000 years. In Satyug, each and every person had preferred to speak truth instead of lie. They all were very sincere, kind, and well disciplined. At this time, people used to avoid greed and they just used to focus on their yoga and the worship of Ishwar. Now the second yug we have Treta Yug. The complete lifespan of Treta Yug is 12,96,000 years. In Treta Yug, human being had become selfish. By this time, people only worship the Ishwar cause they want something from him. At this time, people did their yoga every day and they all were very well disciplined. They used to show respect to their acharyas and parents. Treta Yuga was the time when Sri Ram came to the earth. Sri Ram had faced the Vanvas cause of the selfishness of his mother. Now the third Yuga we have Dwapar Yuga, in which people had started the gamble and some of them also stopped respecting their teachers and parents. That was the Yuga when Sri Krishna came to the earth. We can easily have the idea of the evilness of this yuga if we look at some incidents. At first, Kans put his sister Mata Devaki and his father inside the lockup and he killed 7 newborns of Mata Devaki. There is one more incident when Dharmraj Yudhishthir lost his wife in the game of Chaucer against Kauravas, and the Kauravas tried to remove the clothes of Draupadi in the Sabha of Maharaja Dhritarashtra. These are some major incidents which replicates the evilness of this yuga. The lifespan of this yuga was 8,64,000 years. At last we have Kali Yuga, which is ongoing yuga. The complete lifespan of Kali Yuga is going to be 4,32,000 years. This is the most evil yuga. It is already written in the Sanatan religious books that in this yuga the paap is going to be on its peak and जो धर्म है वो लगभग खत्म हो जाएगा. People will completely neglect their योग and the worship of Ishwar. In this योग, there will be no kindness, sincerity and honesty in human beings. This is the योग where people will be consuming alcohol more than water and they will not show any kind of respect to their teachers and parents. And these things will become normal जब कलयुग अपने पीक पर होगा. At this time, we are facing all of these things. Some intellectual believe that we are not living in Kali Yuga. Even we have not faced the starting phase of Kali Yuga. We believe that we are in a transition phase where we are saying goodbye to the Dwapar Yuga and we are welcoming the Kali Yuga at same time. Now think for a moment. If they are saying truth, then what will happen जब कलयुग अपने पीक पर होगा? आशा करता हूँ कि मैंने आपको क्लियर कर दिया होगा सारे योगों के बारे में। ऑन दैट नोट, इफ़ यू गाइज लाइक द वीडियो, सो प्लीज़ लेट मी नो by hitting the like button and make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for regular notifications. It's absolutely free, and don't forget to check out the playlist section. Who knows, there you find the content that you like the most. This is Artan signing out. Jai Shri Ram.